State Minister jang Foreign Affairs ke Japan uhoriwau hak arbitratri Rupang wana po Shilllong manchimenta berajing kuran hak zona 6 conclave kani ke jingangnud kadai ke jingangnud ke bakongsan bha namar kadai kasin ke paningkong uhe sarkar ke Japan nak sarkar thamai inwan chakatan stay la mengi ke India ya kani conclave la pelang ke Asia Confluence hingga ke Ministry of External Affairs ke Embassy of Japan India ber ke sarkar Meghalaya Minister Uhori un ai ke jingkran bakongsan ha ke bawan ralang hiki nongmihkhmat sarkar kina penyaitkam kiru start bagi ba ban penkelan ke jingadai hapteng ke India ke Japan ha kani ke than ya conclave la play ba ke arpan ruti Rupang da menteri rambak ke Meghalaya konrad ki sangma baru ambassador ke Japan sha India ukechi uno ru dan bentalang hak program
that whether JICA can initiate some technical support on this, at least on future planning. So, and the governance, especially the local bodies, what can we do? So, maybe that will be very useful thing for the whole state and maybe for many other states.
I focus on exact year, but we already have been providing some special training course for all the northeastern region states. And actually, main course is conducted in the IIT Guwahati. And the target of this training course is all the officials in the disaster risk related department in Northeast region. But as you say, yeah, this kind of technical cooperation is very important. And also, in addition to that, some kind of collaborative work, how to tackle with this issue with you. But this is not assistance, this is a collaboration. This kind of, study each other, this kind of activity may be very useful, not only for you, but also for us. So this kind of collaboration we'd like to create.
Thank you.
Governance. I think I can tell you in another area, nothing to do with governance, which we associate with governance really, but in the area of and we absorb them so well, and today we are able to export cars across the world. Our automotive industry has grown so well, so we learned a lot really from the experience of Suzuki. And I think similarly in terms of governance, and when you look at disaster, disaster management and how to make people conscious of what they have to take, what they have to do. I happened to be in Japan soon after the 2011 what was called the triple disaster. There was a tsunami, there was earthquake, and there was a nuclear power plant which leaked. JICA, I'm aware. But as someone who has lived in Japan and I know our relationship, I'm sure that could be the best way where we could certainly discuss issues like that. What would you like to add?
Work that actually, even I was also very curious. I was listening to your presentation. I was also curious. I really wanted to know how actually this entire work that is happening. But definitely peace is the fundamental for economic growth or anything. So I think any efforts on that, I think is a definitely basically I don't have much comments on, but except that if there's any suggestions coming from again the foundation or we will be more than happy to collaborate and work with them.
Is JICA working in Manipur?
So currently we don't have ongoing project in Manipur. So concerning the actually security situation. So and also actually in other countries we have the program for the peace building. But the important thing is the host country has such willingness to collaborate with Japan or collaborate with outside country in that area, because this is very much related to the domestic politics. So that's why it depends on the host countries. And actually, but in my view, India has a very strong autonomy. So that's why so far, as a government organization, we don't feel any kind of such kindness. But very fortunately, we have Sasagawa also Foundation. They have very good such kind of activities.